Yoga is a great way to improve your flexibility, strength, and overall health. It combines physical poses, breathing techniques, and meditation to help you achieve a state of balance and relaxation. In this video, we will take you through some basic yoga stretches and breathing exercises that you can do at home, no matter your level of experience. Let's start with a simple forward fold. Sit on your mat with your legs straight in front of you. Inhale, and raise your arms up over your head. Exhale, hinge forward from your hips, and reach for your toes. Hold for a few breaths, then slowly come back up to seated. Next, we'll move into downward dog. Start on your hands and knees, then tuck your toes under and lift your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape with your body. Press your palms into the mat and keep your head between your arms. Hold for a few breaths, then come back down to your hands and knees. Finally, we'll finish with a simple breathing exercise called alternate nostril breathing. Sit comfortably on your mat with your back straight. Use your right thumb to close your right nostril, then inhale deeply through your left nostril. Use your ring finger to close your left nostril, then exhale through your right nostril. Inhale through your right nostril, close it with your thumb, and exhale through your left nostril. Repeat for several breaths. Remember, yoga is a practice, not a perfect one. Take your time, breathe deeply, and enjoy the benefits of this ancient practice. Thanks for watching.